I just wanted to give you guys a little update of a new project I'm working on. It's of the Heavenly Falls in the Portland Japanese Garden where I work, and I'm trying to recreate it as best as I can. I'm going off of some source material that I have and just kind of trying to add vegetation that I can find that's readily available on some of the asset marketplaces for Unreal. I learned the other day how to do a Niagara particle system for making waterfalls, and the guy's tutorial was really helpful. I also learned how to add the God rays or light shafts into the scene, depending on what the lighting is. I think this is a pretty good rendition of what this looks like. I'm going to try to probably make this larger. I'm going to have to scale it up because it's a little too short, but it's pretty good. And if you see what it looks like with the sound, I think it'll be pretty impressive. I'll try to add that in shortly. I don't think this will actually show on your video here, but it has a waterfall and a forest sound that kind of overlaps. As you run away, the sound goes away, and you can just hear the forest. But when you get closer, it makes a larger sound. And so there's where I am right now on this one.